Light box. All right, Mitch. Good luck, buddy. Thanks for hopping in. Let's see what we can get you. Again, no paper ships out of this. Out of what, Nick? Weird fire die cuts? I missed what product you were talking about. All right, here we go. Good luck. Relic. Way Rave of Brennan Davis for the Cubbies. I love these Way Raves. First Refractor, Tyler McDonough. And paper. We've got a Sky Blue Jordan Walker. Genesis of Chase Petty. First Refractor, Maddox Bruins. Paper. Oh, Bowman's Best. Yeah, I don't know. I have not opened any Bowman's Best yet, so looking forward to it. Joe Mack first. Benny Montgomery, Chrome. Nice. Montgomery and Hill, Franchise Future. And first Way Rave of Jaden Hill. That one didn't have any paper in the back. I want to get extra paper in one of these. We've got Invicta of Cespedes for the White Sox. Cusick Draft Nights and paper. Again, not a long queue, just a couple boxes. If you're looking to get anything ripped, LaytonSportsCards.com under the Personals tab. Henry Davis Chrome. First Way Rave, Chad Dallas. Ramirez Refractor. Paper. Hearing a lot of booms coming from Caleb. Be sure to check him out on Twitch. Layton Gaming Official. Ripping Pokemon, doing some personals, so definitely check him out. First Refractor, Mazzucato. And paper. Luke, I'll be on until the cutoff is at 2 a.m. If we are slower before that, might cut it a little bit early, but it all depends. The latest I'll be on is till 2 a.m. Refractor, Garcia, and paper. It depends on how the night goes. We've got gold /50, Freddie Valdez for the Red Sox. Nice gold paper there for you, Mitch. Genesis, Marcelo Meyer. Nice. Way Rave first, Adrian Del Castillo, catcher for the D-backs. Aaron Navala. First Refractor. Paper. Couple more packs here for you, bud. We've got Way Rave of Wilman Diaz. That was just flipped upside down. Paper. All right, last pack, Mitch. We've got a first Jay Allen for the Reds out of 199. It's Aqua first there. We have here purple /250. Nice torque. There you go. Chase Petty Draft Night. A Hubeck first Refractor. And paper. All right, Mitch, that'll do it for you, buddy. Thanks for hopping in. Congrats on those hits. We'll be getting them right out to you.